Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the topic Introduction to Trigonometry, let's see what exactly we have in the question. Now moving on to the question, it is given that if sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, where 0 degree is less than A plus B less than equal to 90 degree, A is greater than B, find A and B. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Moving on to solution. So guys, as per this question, it is given that if sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, let me write down sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, and the other thing they have given cos A plus B is equal to cos A plus B is equal to, they have given 1 by 2, and the other condition they have given that 0 degree is less than A plus B is less than A plus B is less than equal to 90 degree is less than equal to 90 degree, and the other one is A is greater than B, A is greater than B, and we need to find out A is greater than B, find A and B. So we need to find A and B. This is the ask. Find A and B. So guys, let's see how we can solve this question. So it is given like sin A minus B is equal to sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, or I can write, we very well know that sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, so I can write sin A minus B as 30 degree. Or I can write A is equal to 30 degree plus B. This is one equation. Hope guys you understood this. We know that sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. So sin A minus B is nothing but sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 means sin 30 degree, that is. So I can write A minus B is equal to 30 degree, or A is equal to 30 degree plus B. Similarly, I can write cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 they have given, and we very well know that cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So I can write A plus B is equal to 60 degree, because this is the theta, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So we know that the value of theta is 60 degree. So we are writing A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. We know the value of theta is 30 degree. So we are writing A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, I can write A is equal to 60 degree minus B. This is equation number 2. Guys, you could see that here A is equal to 30 degree plus B from equation 1, and A is equal to 60 degree minus B from equation 2. Therefore, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So I can write 30 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree minus B, or I can write 30 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree, or I can write 2B is equal to 60 degree minus 30 degree, or I can write 2B is equal to 30 degree, or I can write B is equal to 15 degree, or if I want to be more precise, I can write 30 by 2, that is equal to 15 degree. So guys, we are able to find out the value of B as 15 degree. A we are going to find out, B is equal to 15 degree we found out. Now guys, we know that, let us put the value of B in one of the equations. We know that A is equal to 30 degree plus B as per equation 1, or I can write A is equal to 30 degree plus 15 degree, that is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, A is equal to 45 degree. So this is what we found out the value of A also. Guys, this equation or this question is very super easy, is very easy. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.